Hey friends, so here's something interesting. Google Chrome lets you update individual components, and this is not something new, but it is something I found out recently, and it can be very useful. So I'll explain what this means. Open Google Chrome and type Chrome colon forward slash components and hit enter. Okay, okay, it's Chrome. Sorry. Chrome colon forward slash components. You reach the components page, and now we have this option to individually check for updates for each and every component. Okay, so why is this important? It's important because we can always update Google Chrome, but if you wish to specifically update some component which is not updated using Google Chrome, you can do that as well. But here's what I do usually. I'll click on these three dots at the top right corner. I'll select about Google Chrome and it will update Google Chrome. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.